Hi everyone, I hope you're good guys. Today we're gonna talk about something a little bit special. We're gonna talk about dissonant effect. This is the kind of effect that is used a lot in techno in various ways, and the way to achieve that is to slightly modify the pitch over time. And there is one artist who used that with Camille, who signed on Scripton and Cleric label Clergy, who kind of used this effect. I mean, I assume it's the same kind of effect he's using, and it's handling really nice. And today I'm gonna show you how to achieve similar kind of sound. So it's very slight pitch modulation, so the effect is very subtle, but it's very nice, and I'm gonna show you a different kind of example now, pad, key, synth, etc. about how the racks work. Okay, first we have this pad. Okay, without the rack. So you see you get this slightly pitched detune effect over time, and it's really nice, really giving a kind of dramatic effect or very like kind of weird effect. And same go with this key. And it's really cool in techno, especially because when you always have the same loop along the track, adding this very slight little pitch variation along the track make it less boring, less repetitive, because it's always slightly changing. And I've used it as well with Dissonant on rack I've done. I don't know if you've seen the video, I'm gonna put the link in the description. So it was sounding something like this. But then when you add... And you can even add a bit of chorus. So let me show you on this end now. Alright, so this end there is as well the unison. So which is helping as well to get this kind of detune effect. And then the cool thing with this rack is as well, you can use it with loops. So you can hear it's like the pitch is like floating over time. Alright, so now let's dig into the rack. So we first have a vibrato effect, which is gonna sound like, oh, let me put this down, which is gonna sound like this. So yeah, I use it, the delay, which is modulating. Oh, I don't know what is happening with my LFO here, sorry about that. Okay, now it's better. So it's basically, yeah, LFO modulating the delay, which is in repitch mode, which is gonna actually act like pitch modulation. You can obviously do that in any synth. It's kind of vibrato effect. In some synth, like the analog, you already have the vibrato here. So it's... But yeah, I'm gonna show you in Wavetable how to do that as well. You just need to take LFO, and you can basically copy the rate. It's usually around 8 Hz. And then what you wanna do is modify the pitch. So LFO 1, you just slightly, and maybe bring down the amount. It has to be very subtle, you know. And then you get vibrato effect in any synth, modular, or whatever you like by this way. So then we've got what is called Wobble. So this, I cannot take credit for that. I'm gonna put the link of the video in the description. I found this tutorial and the guy is using that and it's really amazing. And So I just copy what he's done. So all the credit goes to him, not to me. And it's kind of doing kind of vinyl pitch or tape pitch effect, you know, like this slight pitch that over time. And it's let me just let me remove the, and that's really great because when you play the same note and even all over again, it will slightly change the pitch, which is gonna make the things very more interesting. You can see I'm gonna abuse the effect. But you can see it's the same note playing, but there is this slightly pitch variation, which is make the things really interesting. And that it made a little bit in the same way than the other one. It's you have the pitch here, which is very slightly modulating the delay time, which is making this kind of pitch effect, but it's the rate of the LFO is way much more lower, and you can exactly get the same here. Just put like a very small rate, like around 0.44, 47, 48, and say modify the pitch. So I'm just gonna disable this, and I'm gonna put it on the pitch slightly, same around 3. Yes, and you need to remove the trigger, like this is not restarting the LFO all the time. You can even put random if you want a bit more. That's up to you, but this kind of tape effect and vinyl effect is nice to have the sine wave. But yeah, then you can really change how you want, and even inside here you can change the waveform here and put the one you want. Just experiment. Feel free to make your own. Then we have some chorus, so basic effect that everyone know more or less. I put the width. This stuff is just like a utility, because the chorus is gonna widen up the sound, and if you want something will stay very focused in the middle, just after you use the chorus, bring the width in the middle to bring back everything in the center, and don't take too much space in your mix. Anyway, you can add some delay later on and get back the space, but the chorus is usually very nice for pads or synth sound. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this. And then finally we have, we have this delay, which is basically, it's a basic echo delay, but you can change here like how you want your delay send. But the thing here with this delay is like the delay is modulated by LFO again, and you can see here like the delay, if you pay attention to the delay, it's slightly pitching down. And you can change obviously the waveform to have different kind of effect, the rate, and that as well is gonna, and the more you put the LFO, the more the effect will be present. And that work really nice with chord effect as well. So yeah, this track is a bit different than usually. It's like, but I really like the tone that you can give to your sound, and how you can really get this dissonant effect really quick. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you liked. Do not hesitate to like and subscribe. The rack will be in the link in the description. If you got Live 9, I will do it, but you might not have the delay for sure because it's just for Live 10. And you will need Max for Live for the LFO as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. See you Wednesday, and Wednesday we'll see like how we make this kind of pad as well, and it's very nice tutorial coming Wednesday. See you guys, stay tuned, bye.